Today we're going to show you how to log in with a hardware security key as a passkey for your BitWarden vault. Log into your account and select your account icon. Go to Account Settings, then select Security. Scroll to the bottom of the page and turn on Login with Passkey. There's a link above with more information on passkeys if you're interested. You'll be prompted for your master password. Put that in and select Continue. It'll ask you where you want to save this passkey. We're going to select Hardware Security Key here. You'll be given two prompts. You want to select OK for both of those. It'll ask you to touch your key, and we're using the ATKey Pro Biometrics key. Click on the link to the video above to see why we think it's superior to Yubico's BioKey. One of the things is you touch the key, authenticate, and it's green, and your passkey is saved. Select OK, give it a custom name, and then select Turn On. Now it's going to ask you to re-authenticate with the key. Touch the key again, and you're authenticated. You're logged in with a passkey. So now what we'll do is we'll go up to the top of the page, and we'll log out and show you how to log in with it. Up here it's showing the email address, but you don't need the email address. You can just select Login with Passkey, select Security Key, and again, touch the key, authenticate. You don't have to use a PIN because we're using a biometric key, and you're logged into the account. Now one of the things I want to show you before we end this is we're going to log out of the account, and you can see this is where you can log in with Passkey. But if you go up here to the extension for BitWarden, there is no option, and if we call up the Windows desktop application, again, there is no option. Passkeys are going to be implemented on these at a future date. So for now, we're stuck with the master password. Thanks for joining us on this passkey journey with BitWarden. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and stick around for more cybersecurity tips and tricks by subscribing. Share your thoughts on passkeys in the comments. Your feedback keeps us going. Have a wonderful, hack-free day.